First and foremost, we really wish that you and your family are keeping safe and healthy during the period of this pandemic. Now, this video was in regards to give you a brief understanding on the process that how you're supposed to register for your examination. So in this process, you need to first go to the tab of exam. Thereafter, the second last option of exam registration, you need to click at this option. Moving forward, as you can see, there is a list of subjects that are already been mentioned, and these all subjects are auto-selected by default. By any chance, if you don't wish to appear for any of these subjects, so in that case, you need to unselect that subject and need to proceed for the next step, that is selecting the examination center. Now, as you can see, this page is asking you about to select the date and the time for every subject individually. So this process is quite simple. You need to select your date and time based on your own convenience, and the similar practice you need to continue for the remaining subjects. And the last step is to proceed to payment gateway to pay for the examination. So I hope you guys have understood the process well, but if in case if you still need any further clarification, feel free to approach to any of our counselors. Thank you and wish you all the very best for the same.